Okay, so this is how to fix a Note 3 when it don't want to start to turn on. I press it and it don't want to start it on. So when you got that problem, maybe sometimes it don't want to charge too. This is fixed when it don't want to charge and one won't turn it on. So what you do, take the battery out. This battery is already wet, so but I know it's still good. But what you do, just take piece something like that, could be anything. Just clean this stuff right here. You clean it up. Then put it back on. So let's try again. Still. Okay, let's do it again. Let's see if it's clean. Because this thing, when it get dirty, the phone don't want to start, and don't want to charge too. See, now it's turning on. So when the phone, sometimes those phones don't want to turn it on, don't want to charge, so you just clean the battery and the phone will be charging again and turn it on again. Try that and home before take it to the shop. All right, thumbs up if you like this video.